often you decide to wash your wig will depend on how often you wear your wig. However, the key thing in making your wigs last longer is using the correct products. Now, I've heard of lots of DIY stories about fabric conditioner, etc., and yeah, they do work. However, they don't extend the life of your wig. So in order to extend the life of your synthetic wig, what you want to do is to be using products that were specifically designed to extend the life of the wig. And you would wash your wig in some tepid water, swill it around once you've placed the product in the water. And there's no need to rub the fibers at all because these products are designed to draw dirt away from the fibers. So there's no need to scrub too hard. Conditioner is definitely recommended. And then something to avoid the frizziness at the end of the fibers is something called express taming. This is specifically designed to take away the frizziness that can happen with synthetic fibers. If you don't want to wash your wig too often, we also recommend freshen up. So if you go into an environment where there's a really strong food smells or there's a really strong smoke odor, freshen up will actually just take away any odors from your wig. So by not washing it too often, you're extending the life of your wig. An important factor in extending the life of your synthetic wig is how you store it. Now, you could store it on a mannequin head like so, but if you're like me and you have more than 40 wigs, you'll end up running out of space. So a different way to store your wigs is to actually turn it inside out and then tuck the hair in the cap, like so, and the cap will protect the hair. Now, if you don't want any dust to get on your cap and your wig, then we really recommend using a silk or satin bag, and this protects both the fibers and the wig cap. And that will really extend the life of your premium synthetic wig. So hopefully these tips are going to be of some use to you and you can extend the life of your wig. If you have a curly wig, follow the same steps: water, finger comb only, and again, you will have perfect looking hair for a lot longer.